In Assam's Hajo town, the Poa Mecca Dargah stands as a powerful symbol of communal harmony. Revered by Muslims and visited by people of all faiths, it reflects India's spirit of unity. Believed to equal a quarter pilgrimages to Mecca, the shrine draws thousands during the annual Urs Mela. Here faiths don't clash, they converge. Hajo shows how shared spirituality can bind communities together.
In the heart of Assam's Hajo town stands a monument not just of faith but of unity, the Poa Mecca Dargah. Revered as a sacred shrine by Muslims, this historic site draws people from all religions, embodying India's ethos of shared spirituality. Whether it's the offering of prayers, the fulfillment of vows, or the exchange of goodwill, the Dargah is a living testament to brotherhood and harmony.
तो मैं यहाँ पहली बार आया हूँ और यहाँ के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मतलब बहुत सुकून फील करता हूँ। और यहाँ हर सारा लोग भी आता है, बहुत कुछ मतलब हिंदू धर्म के लोग भी आता है और बाहर से बहुत लोग आता है यहाँ
पर आकर बहुत अच्छा लगता है। यहाँ पर सभी धर्म के लोग आते हैं और जो आता है उसकी मनोकामनाएं पूरा होते हैं।
People from districts near and far, Hindus, Muslims and even Christians gather in harmony not merely to seek blessings but to celebrate a collective heritage. Established during the Mughal period, the Poa Dargah is believed to be around 400 years old. However, what makes the Dargah truly special is its peaceful and welcoming atmosphere.
Muslim Dargah, still all the religious people used to come here, especially in January 14, from 14 January onward, all that Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, everybody is coming and celebrating one festival that is called Urs festival, and every time it is in the month of January started. During the Mughal Empire, Shah Jahan's time, and that time one Sufi sant was there. His name was Ghiyasuddin Shah Sultan Baba, and he used to come here, and his main idea was there to establish the Islam in Northeast.
The legacy of Hazrat Shah Sultan Ghiyasuddin Aulia lives on not just in the sacred walls of Poa Mecca Dargah but in the hearts of all who gather here. A timeless reminder that peace, love and unity are the truest paths to the divine.